Hello, my friends. It's Miss Dana and Scoot the raccoon back to talk to you about another word. The word is progeny. Now, guess what? If you are watching this video, you are somebody's progeny, every single one of you. Unless, of course, you simply spawned here and you don't have any human ancestors. Progeny is a noun, and it's going to refer to the descendant or descendants plural, or the offspring. It can be of a person or plant or an animal. So, for instance, here we have the offspring of elephants, the children of elephants. We have the offspring of cats, the progeny of lizards or chameleons, whatever these are. And of course, humans like us are progeny because we are descendants from somebody. We all have a family tree somewhere. Scoot also comes from a long line of very talented raccoons. So he is the progeny of a long line of raccoons. Synonyms for progeny, of course, will include children, but also words like scion or heirs. Progeny also does not have to be just the children of somebody. It can be grandchildren. It can be great grandchildren. When we talk about animals, of course, we talk about animals being in prides or packs. And so maybe a pack of young foxes or coyotes is the progeny of their parents. In terms of a plant, this is an example of a plant that has been in my family for generations and generations. We propagate it every so often. It is a Christmas cactus. And so we take a little bit of it, an offshoot, that would be a synonym, and we put it in water and it grows into a whole new plant. So that's how plants can also be progeny. They are descendants of a former plant. An antonym for progeny would be ancestors. But of course, even your ancestors are progeny of someone, right? One way that we could talk about progeny is to talk about famous people. Like, let's take famous artists. They have progeny, of course, as in children, but their children might be known as their famous progeny. For instance, the artist Pablo Picasso had a very famous progeny in the form of his daughter, who became a famous jewelry designer. John Lennon, one of the Beatles, has two sons as famous progeny. They are both musicians. Also, Alexandre Dumas, the author of the famous book Three Musketeers, has a son who is famous as a writer. So he is Dumas' famous progeny. Progeny comes from the Latin root genere. We see this a lot in words like generation, genes, genetics, generate. It's going to go back to the idea of birth, families, offspring, something to do with being born. Finally, I wanted to give you an inside look at Scoot's life. Here is Scoot when he is out in the wild, hanging out with all of his brothers and sisters who are all progeny of their raccoon parents. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.